Hello and welcome to our channel Studying Together. So this channel will have sessions mainly aligned to the syllabus of class 6, though those will be generic concepts which will be studied by those in class 5 or referred by those in class 7 as well. To give you a brief background of this channel, my daughter is currently studying in class 6 and we're putting a lot of effort in getting the right information for her and giving her the right guidance. So I thought it will be helpful if we prepare video for these sessions and share it with others so they don't spend the same times finding the same resources. So moving on to the purpose of the sessions will be to keep you aligned and prepared for your exams while spending minimum time on screen. So as kids already spend a lot of time watching TV and also on computers, tabs and mobiles, we are trying to give them the information in very crisp format so they don't really spend a lot of time finding out from where they have to study or what they have to study and how much details. And the second thing on which is very important, and that is to develop the right attitude towards learning, which is to cram less and to think more. So what happens when you start thinking about a 3 page of answer and how to learn it, how to prepare it, then it makes the things very boring and you develop a fear of the studies. So you really don't need to cram them or learn them. Just think about the concept behind it or the summary, the important points which are highlighted in that answer. So what will be the format of our sessions? We'll have roughly 20 to 30 minutes of videos, and we'll be mainly doing videos related to science and maths. There will be questions for you at the end of the video. That is for you to revise and to find out answers. So even when you are away, you really think about those lessons for some time. And the third is the discussion on the answers of earlier video. So we'll discuss what will be the right answer and also how to comprehend those answers. So now the challenge is how to achieve whatever we discussed so far, like in the minimum time, how to get the best results. So let's divide our overall learning in three parts. The first is your concepts or the content. So you learn some concepts say in class 4 and then you build upon those concepts in class 5. You get into more details when you go to class 6. So that is the additional learning that you have in each class. And then the equally important thing is the structured thinking. The way you think, the way you link the various concepts that you have learned. So this will help you to remember those things. When you have to write, you will write back in the same structural form. And that will give you the ability to write a complete answer or in a proper language. So language is again something which is important. You need to have command over the language. Sometimes what happens that a student knows the answer, but they are not able to write it properly, and then they don't get good marks. So for writing it properly in your own words, one is you need to know the language, and second is you need to think it in proper structured way so that whatever the final answer you have written is complete. Okay. Okay, so now what is expected from you? Concentration and attention. So we are asking for your time of around 20 to 30 minutes for each session, and during that time you need to give the full attention. You don't need to think about anything else during the sessions. And the other thing is to think about the concepts which were discussed during the session. So even when you are away, You need to think about the answers of the questions that were asked to you, and also keep on thinking about what was told to you during the session. So that's it. I think we can start our journey of learning. But before that, another important thing, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because that is something which will tell us that how many people are really interested in learning with us, and that will motivate us to put more videos and have more sessions together. Thank you.